Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here. The title of my presentation is Brain MF, a random walk based method for matrix factorization of a multi-layer network for protein function prediction. So this is the outline, and I will briefly introduce you to the biological system. So in a biological system, there are multiple interacting entities, for example, genes, proteins, or metabolites. These entities, they interact within each other and with other entities um, to to process a biological mechanism, and give rise to a phenotype. So to understand the reason or the mechanism behind this phenotype, we need to study the interactions between these entities. So the interactions between these entities can be easily modeled as graphs. So as here you can see in the right, so this type of cascade of information can be represented as a multi-layer graph, and the information can of this multi-layer graph can be used to study the relationship between the entities. But the challenge here is to effectively learn the features from the integration such that the features represent the embedded information in the graph, which is biologically relevant. For this reason, we are inspired from graph representation learning algorithms, and using this, we embed these biological networks in a lower dimension space for protein function prediction task. So this is the schematic representation of our model. As it is recently studied that network embedding is nothing but a matrix factorization. However, it was studied for single layer graphs where a spectrum of random walk transition matrix is represented as a spectrum of normalized graph Laplacian. So here we propose to blend this information of a multi-layer graph Laplacian by taking certain matrix power means of Laplacian matrix for each layer. Then the normalized mean Laplacian or a multi-layer random walk matrix is factorized using SVD, and network embeddings are obtained by using its top D singular values. Further, we use the learned features to train a SVM classifier to predict functional annotations of each protein. Then to evaluate the performance of the classification, we adopt five-fold cross-validation strategy. We also compare the performance of BrainMF against the state-of-art integration methods for protein function prediction. So this bar plots represents the preliminary results of our model. So here you can see that BrainMF outperforms Mashup and DeepNF, and with for three levels. So level one, so these levels are basically the groups of function classes. So level, for example, level one has 17 function classes, whereas level three has 150 function classes. So here we show that BrainMF outperforms when compared to the state of art method, and we can achieve the gain of 15% in the accuracy than mashup, and 7% uh, in DeepNF for level 3. So with this preliminary encouraging results, I conclude my presentation by highlighting few important points. First, biological data is very complex, high dimensional, heterogeneous, and sensitive to handle. So there is need to develop integrative approaches that could be um, uh, represent this data in a sophisticated way, uh, and give relevant information which is biologically significant. And in this work, we have presented a graph embedding based network method for protein function prediction. But our framework is not limited to only protein function prediction. It could be easily adopted to gene regulatory network inference, drug target identification, then TF target identification, etc. And uh, And we have performed an empirical analysis for this proposed approach and compared to state of art method baselines. And these are the references. And thank you so much.